Igbo Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ebe nkwa na mbata n'ụbọchị nke taa asị m ka ebe ọ na-anụ ọnụ m udo dịrị nwoke udo dịrị nwaanyị. Biko vidiyo anụ na afụ n'akụkụ ebe a bụ vidiyo Nwada Efeshion Grace. O nwere maka ihe okwu gasị maka ihe na-eme n'ụga so far maka ndị mana everybody just knows ya ju kịta ekwube mgbe a na-eni ozu ekwubekwana ihe a na-eme ekwubekwa na akpụchiata na nwaanyị azụ mana akpụchiatabe nwaanyị azụ mana o nwecha ihe okwu regarding the ma ndị na-akọ ọnụ sị nwaanyị eji na-erezi lu nwaanyị ego nwaanyị eji wee mee nke a na nwaanyị jikwa wee bụrụ nke a. Ụfọdụ sịkwa na amụgụ asịrị na-aga na ụga wee na-asị ụga mmadụ ọ nọzikwa ya. N'eke na vidiyo kwuo nụrụ ihe nwaanyị a na-ekwu maka na nwaanyị a bụ onye o so na ndị jee ụga jekwa Ekwulọbịa wee mee interview to that woman mekwa interview na ụga. Biko nụ na nekere na vidiyo kwuo n'ofu maka na this is coming from the source, reliable source, and also she's not the eyewitness but she was present in ụga. Regarding any other blog ọbụla na-ekwu okwu nwaanyị a so na ndị sonye okwu na ụga sorokwa na ndị jere Ekwulọbịa jeme nwaanyị interview maka na ya bụ nwaanyị bụkwanụ onye ụga. Nekere na vidiyo kwuo n'ofu.
Today I am speaking from the in depth of my calling and what I am. And I say, woe unto you who know the truth and stand against it. Woe unto you that pick your phone to call me, to say balderdash to me. Some of you will cry for justice one day. And there will be dead silence. Somebody called me today to tell me how this woman, how what they buried in her house, thunder came and uprooted it. That means God is with her. Thunder by itself came, uprooted it, Buriana. I don't believe my tongue is evil. I'm happy my king stood to say, this is not what I ordered. Evil will never overshadow good. I think I would even, I expected some people that, that want to join us. Some people want to join us and are giving me signal. I will bring them on board. I pray no one can somebody want to join us. I want people from Uga, people from that area to say what they feel or what they know about the things happening in our dear town. Please, I want to bring people that really want to join us on this. I want to bring them on board. Some people want to. It's saying it couldn't add guests, so I don't know why. I'm trying to add you, please. I don't know. He said the person couldn't be added. Mr. Chuku. The person you invited needs to download the latest version of Facebook app to join this live video. So please, Mr. Izuchukwu, please, they say you should download the latest Facebook app to join this live video. So I wish to welcome everyone. I appreciate the support so far, but what I urge everybody, for truth, be very expensive. Ofiara arụ na Nigeria kita. If only get eziokwu. I am not missing words. Ofiara arụ ikwu eziokwu na Nigeria kita. Ofiara ezigbo arụ. So anybody na-ekwu eziokwu, chọrọ ikwu eziokwu, chọrọ stand na eziokwu na Nigeria now, the person's life is placed at the edge of the knife. So it's very difficult to see somebody that will say the truth now. Feel free to comment what you want to say, feel free to talk. But what I am assuring everyone is that the truth must be known. All warrant and I am interviewer, I make it interviewer. Ihe ụgwọ nji unu bụ na nke ọbụla a ga-ewepụta, even though na asị na ha chọrọ, ụfọdụ ndị achọrọ ka the woman kwuo her own version of the story. Some people said, why must I post her own version of the story? Some said, take it down. Some say, why are you raising fund for her? That she's not what to raise fund for. You know, all of that and all of that. So, but what I'm saying in the sense, ọ bụghị mụ ji onwe m amara ya. Ọ bụghị mụ ji onwe m amara ya ji. Ọ bụghị mụ ji onwe m amara ya ji maka kama rịda. I don't own myself. Even me myself. Mgbe ụfọdụ adị m ama ihe m ga-eme before the day breaks. No m tetụrụ agwa m ya na ihe kwesịrị ime, go and do it. And I will just oblige and do it. So somebody now, how do you think you can control the person? I've not even controlled myself, let alone somebody else to come and control me. If run before draw possible, it's not possible. So what am I saying in the sense? Let evil evil is brooding. Evil is brooding, is growing wings now. My brother Chibuzo, it's hard to stand on the truth at this period of evil days. The days are evil. Truth is expensive. Cindy Kem, good evening there. God bless you. Truth is expensive. In your little cycle, in your family, this woman, all the people who need the Megoria interview, SND go through more than 3 to 4, 5 versions of her interview. She will not know that recording her. Word to word, everything are the same thing. She does not change. And when somebody else calls to tell you the stories of that woman, she will still tell you exactly what that woman said. And some will even say more. If I start unveiling the things in my inbox, both voice notes, records, some people want me to put out some of their testimonies there, but if I put it out, it will cause trouble because if I'm a mediator, I shouldn't bring out things that will cause more trouble for the people. We shouldn't be a tool to escalate conflicts. I'm a peace advocate. I'm an advocate of peace. So I wouldn't do anything that will, contradict my profession. So what I found out is that and the youth has gone into occultism and magic. The youth have gone into occultism and magic. Watch your cycle. Watch your children. These guys, people are having bad influence and are influencing people on a daily basis as a result of poverty. As again, court ka a na-abazi onwere ekpere a na-ekpe ọgwụ ka a na-agwọ court. So jide ụmụ gị jidesie efe ike ekwekwe na a na-eje ekpere a na-eme magic. See here, I want people to understand. Service to God, worship to God is not about miracle. You don't serve God to receive miracle. You are serving God because He is God. If you follow the way our Muslim brothers serve God, they are not serving Him because of what they get from Him. They serve Him because He's God. So you that is serving God because you want somebody to prophesy for you, you want somebody to see vision for you, you want miracle of sharp, touch it and they catch it. You're not serving God. You serve God because He is God. Sorry, wait a minute. You serve God because He is God. You're not expecting anything from Him. You're not expecting anything from Him. He said, the earth is and its fullness is of the Lord. Chijoke Uche Aga, I will update on the process or on the progress of the matter. So there is nothing we're going to say here for now until we know where they are taking her to, maybe on Thursday, according to their schedule. Because they told her that she will surrender herself on Thursday in State CID Oka. So by then we'll know how the matter is going. Today is still Monday and they still sit at home in East. So on Thursday, Amaro Eba Mwani Aga. So Eba Kaku for now. Prince Barry Jackson Jr. Also, my question is, it has been said that her community law does not support her being sent out of her home. Why has she not been brought back? First thing should be all about bringing her back. Nna sorum jukwa nke ahụ, asị m na ọ bụrụ na asị na achụpụrụ ya, by now the obodo ekwesịgo ịma ka ha ga-esi jikọ aka ọnụ kpọnatagodi ya first before a na-ekwu okwu a na-ekwu ọkwa ya nwa bụ isi sekpụ ntị. I pray that na ndị ụga ga-anụkwanụ nke a ikwuru ma tinyekwu ya na ọrụ, maka na asị na a na-agwọ nsi odo anya anaghị etinye ya ịgbaka, and achọ mkpezi aghụghọ adịna ya. So I believe na ndị ụga kwesịrị ị na-atụ aro by now ka a ga-esi kpọnatagodo nwaanyị, maka na osisi egburu ejiri ya gbuchie bịa final, nwere ebe esi aba abụ, nwere ebe esi apụ apụ, so ha gbuchiri bịa niile. So ndị ụga ka ọ dị alụ ime ihe maka mmemme ịkpọnata ya bụ nwaanyị, maka na ama m na agbara aka akpọnata onye mere ụdị ihe a, ndị befa ama nkwedo na ihe a bụzi obodo na obodo. So ọ ya bụkwa igwe ndị ihe na nwere ike o duru ya rute na boundary ndị ụga, odunye igwe ndị ụga n'aka wee duru nwaanyị wee otu a ha sikwa wee duru ya pụta, asikwa otu a duru ya wee nababịa. Thank you very much for that contribution. Then Florence makes Dibia where say the woman is 100% in nonsense. Truth is always straight. The problem in that family is hatred and aggregation from her son, who is confused by performance of abracadabra. Us not performance of abracadabra. May God bless and keep always with immense wisdom. Amen. I love you too, Florence Mezu Dibe. And Chijoke Uchaga say, hope the son is also at police custody. Onwere police custody or aforomo ndị wiposu na ogara party na Oga onwere party ebe ha mere child dedication, ogara party nya okwadoro ofuma we so kwese picture no picture ha sere ka ha ji wee kwuo maka ya. Cynthia Chinyere we na say Press Check said, my question is, has it been said that her community, okay, Press Check, I've already read what you said, and I'm expecting our brother to download the Onye Choro Ibia na live. So I say na Oya download go do new version of Facebook before he can be part of our discussion. And I believe no mercy and Kedota, he will allow us to be able to be part of this discussion. Amaram Kangesi will upload some audios that are of immense importance to this discourse. But Kosina the Ayamanataka Simia on nke nọ na my WhatsApp, I may share the audios with them. Those on Efficient Grace for the Hopeless Foundation WhatsApp, our Ndi Ig Eje Njemoku Seike, as in volunteers of Efficient Grace for the Hopeless Foundation, they will be privileged to, hear some things that are not out here on Facebook. And anything I share with them, I did not remain with them. It doesn't go out because we have law that is guiding us all. Then Izuchukwu, may God will use you and others to redeem that innocent woman in this life. Please continue the good work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I pray God will give me the wisdom to follow suit and give what do the needful. Maka na ọbụrụ mụ na-eme. O nwere onye gụrụ egwu si ọ dị Chineke mere ya na-ekwe onye mere ya nsị mba onye ahụ agaghị emenwe ya without Chineke. So without God, we are nothing. And Cynthia Chinner said, things they happen, oh, poor woman, if not that her husband is dead, will all these things happen? Okara hime mana ayada tachukota, cha 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 cha. Mr. Izuchukwume Amaronumoto Onekwero Abia on. Let's say maybe we will next time we're on live, you can come on and you know, we will accept your Ikegwong Constant is coming on board. I believe this one should connect. God's message of us said, Nejisike Onyenwai Bagume. Amen. Amen. You said Cynthia Chinere Nwabisi said, please can you involve Harrison in this matter, please? Okay, if he picks his call, fine. But I can't dwell trying to, you know, get one person. Moreover, my work is to bring the truth out here. I am not the law, so my work is to bring the truth out here. Mrs. Constance, I don't know why it's not connecting. I don't know why. But I believe to do abominable thing just to survive. How long? Oh, Mrs. Ichukwu, I don't know how else to bring you on this live. Let me try again, sir. Let me just try again to bring you on this live. Because the way you're burning, it seems you have one or two things to tell us. It seems you have one or two things to tell us. Still, it's not coming up. It's not coming up at all. It's not coming up. So please feel free to comment your mind on that issue. But just know that so long that issue is concerned, you will be hearing every step of it from here. But for now, we are waiting for Thursday when they will be, summoned in State CID Oka, and I believe God will give us justice both to the dead and to the living. And I want to use this medium and talk to those that feel that na ye fopu nwomo iye bozo je fopu chukwu nna fopu chukwu nwa fopu chukwu monso. They should be to me. Then again, I will advise you makara ịgba mmadụ. Ije draw advance. Go say there. Ije when I'm talking to you, I will say go and ask advance. When he tried what you people want to attempt. Jekwe draw ya ka o si wee dị. Asị na onye amaghị akpụ ụzụ ya nere egbe anya n'ọdụ. Maka anybody ya akpọ m na phone say gbaghara onye a na ejikwe wee jekwe ebe nwa asị na ọtịlị gbaghara. I am assuring you that I will not forgive you till you enter 6 feet. Ka m gbaghara Evans ma mgbaghara kwa gị. Ọkwa mmadụ merụ ọkwa one person ka m nere anya maka onye ahụ nwere obi mmadụ. If you venture into a dark place and it holds you, you will remain there. So just be careful. Life is deeper than we think. nkịta na-ada agba ụja ọ na-atakwa ọkpụkpụ ọ taa gị and ebe ọ na-atabu n'ike ka ọ ya bụ ọ taa gị de ụfọdụ anụ niile dị de wee tabazie gị well. So be careful what you do. Reporting me to whoever you think that have control over my life. I laugh at you because you do. That means you don't even know me very well. But for the truth, I will not relent. I'll bring it the way it is. If it means your own side of the story that you want it to be heard, let me know. We will come and take it. And I will still put it here. All of dummies that are listening to this, they are not morons. When you're talking, people know the truth. Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. You that is a youth, you will marry tomorrow. You that is a youth, you will have girl child. You don't know how they will go. And after doing this thing, tomorrow. So please, whatever we do, whatever we, let's put our conscience in the right line. Our conscience first. I'm Ndi Igbo mother Igbo ogologo ndụ. Akọkwanụ mbọtọ n'ụwa. And asọkwanụ na mbọ ezigbo mmadụ. Eziokwu anago, eziokwu dị very expensive in Nigeria. Justice is the costliest thing you can get in this country, Nigeria. Justice is very expensive. Because everybody have turned to hoodlums, liars. But there are still sincere people. And I urge you, be number one sincere person in your environment. Be the kind of person that when you get involved in a case, they will say, because this person is here, and I assure you, you will not have a reason to regret whatever it is that you do rightly. As many that want to turn Oga Land to a place of occultic region, to evil place. As in Aloga no nzodoroko agaghị ekwe ka ome. Ala ga-eri ha. Gahara say that na Aloga agaghị adị mma na a ga-eji mkpọrọm ọnụ. Asị m na ala ga-eri ha. Ọfọ na-asụ ana m asụ ya na eke na-asụ ya n'oye na-asụ ya n'afọ na-asụ ya na nkwọ na-asị mmadụ ọbụla sị na Aloga no mkpọrọkọ ọnụ ka a ga-akpọ ha. Asị m na ala ga-eri ha. By their character, by their action, by their words, by their defending evil. Asị m na ala ga-eri ha. And otu ahụ ka ọ ga-adị. Because I am a mmadụ na-esi mmụọ mmụọ. Mana ko si na dị in whatever you're doing, please stand for the truth. And whatever I am saying is that you will always hear the details of this matter as we progress. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ndi Ekulobia, we still keep saying we're sorry for the action meted on your daughter by Fodundi Binabai, Mobunde, Sinahabundi Bai, Mana Obuni Igbo Kubera. Yabon not irrelevant. So because I can asindo, because I can asindo, because Bararan. Oh, not to call him no. Please keep loving Efficient Grace for the Hopeless Foundation. Keep sharing our work. And I may be bringing you news of another widow who is going through the same fate in Owerri, Imo State. And I'm going to be giving them my platform to open up to what they're going through. I'm going to be giving them this platform that they will all, voice out what they are going through. In anakwa ewidania na anakwa property. Makwa that na also come call, I will allow her to come and call no for they will see you, hear you, and they will know what you're doing. So obu no nwere onye widow in a torment. Withdraw your hand before they will come to me to come and say, come and let us tell the world what we are going through. I feel that's not okay, you're not too late. I feel you can still rewatch it because I'm not going to delete it. I may be bringing different widows to tell their audience. Maka na ọbụrụ ọsọsọ Mrs. Azuka bụ ihe na-agabigakwanụ ihe a. A lot of widows have called me and said, please, can they be heard through my platform? But ihe nkaji gba nkịtị bụ that our association is not buoyant enough to carry our crew to different places for now. But we believe when we start getting the support that we need, we will go to different places and pick their testimonies, and people will know the stuff they're going through. So, a widow that the law is against it. Live and let live. Beacon, or just know that I love you. Keep supporting Efficient Grace for the Hopeless Foundation, and I keep saying it that we're into protection of women and children. They are the weaker vessels, so we keep protecting them. You can go to our page on Facebook, Efficient Grace for the Hopeless Foundation. Then on Twitter is still Efficient Grace. On Instagram is still Efficient Grace for the Hopeless Foundation. Go there and see the previous works we have done since our inception. We've really done a lot of works, and we are happy that those people still live and they can tell their testimonies. So thank you so much for being part of this live, and I urge you, stand up wherever there is need to say the truth. Be out to defend the truth. God bless you as you keep doing the right thing. May God encourage, bless you, and strengthen you, and give you the reason to say, indeed, I am proud I stood for the truth. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
When my channel video, still na video and share this video. Like it because we notification couldn't with notification. Bob and I video for Bondo Manjamono. Can win on Bozo.